Auto Green here, just going to show you what we've been up to today, because the car we've got in is looking absolutely spectacular out there in the sunshine. We've got a gorgeous Civic Type R in a lovely shade of blue. We've been working on this for 2 years now, ceramic coating it 2 years ago and carrying out regular monthly maintenance treatments on it. We've had that back for the same reason today, for its ceramic maintenance visit. We've also given the engine bay a little bit of a spruce up in the interior too. Like I say, it's looking awesome in the sunshine out there, so we're going to go have a walk around it and see what it's like. What I would say is just to ignore the wheels. The owner is having a bit of an ongoing dispute with Honda because the wheels have corroded somewhat. But aside from that, it's looking absolutely stunning, so let's go check it out.